How to upload document in DeepSeek. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your DeepSeek application. Now, in order to add document, you will need to create a new chat. After creating new chat, simply tap on this plus icon. Make sure you are using the app version. Next, select document. Now, it will open your files in your device. Select documents and select the one that you want to upload. Upload the document by simply selecting it. Wait for it to upload. And after it is uploaded, simply tap on send. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.